Yes, 4/8 notes do equal 2 beats. You know, I teach piano on the side. No, I don't need that. You know, I write and edit books on the side. Okay, 2 tablespoons of herbs for a catering gig, because you know, I cater on the side. Oh, I just love deadheading roses for a client because you know, I do a little garden maintenance and flower pot arranging for clients on the side. When a company moved me to Nashville about 20 years ago, they dissolved 9 months later, and I thought, well, I could try some gig work, quote, until the money runs out, which was not a terrible idea. So I had a communications and music background, and that let me freelance for some small companies. I edited some books, I taught piano, I babysat for friends, I did some dog sitting, I worked part-time as a receptionist, a personal assistant, I catered and I gardened, and through that process I banked enough income to pay my bills and have a little fun. And that's how I became the queen of the side hustle. What I found is side hustles let me choose the type of work I'll do and when and where I'll do it. Does it come with risk? Yes, but I make it work. I have 6 side hustles going, sometimes all at the same time. And if I can make that work, you can make it work. This book can help you turn your hobby into a paycheck.